Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook frozen dumplings. Let's start with pan frying, a fantastic way to achieve a crispy bottom and tender filling. First, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Place your frozen dumplings in a single layer. Then, carefully add about 1/4 cup of water and quickly cover the pan. Let them steam for 5 to 8 minutes until the water evaporates and the bottoms are golden brown. If you prefer a uniformly soft and chewy dumpling, boiling is your go-to method. Bring 4 to 6 cups of water to a rolling boil in a large pot. Gently add your frozen dumplings, ensuring they don't stick together. Once they float to the surface, continue boiling for another 3 to 5 minutes to ensure they are thoroughly cooked. Drain them well before serving. For a delicate texture that truly highlights the filling's natural flavors, steaming is an excellent choice. Arrange your frozen dumplings in a steamer basket, making sure there's a little space between each one. Place the basket over a pot of simmering water, ensuring the water doesn't touch the dumplings. Cover and steam for 8 to 10 minutes or until they appear plump and translucent. Now that your delicious dumplings are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them immediately while they are hot. Enhance their flavor with your favorite dipping sauces. Classic choices include soy sauce, rice vinegar, or a spicy chili oil. For an extra touch, garnish with some freshly chopped green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Enjoy your homemade feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.